Hey everyone, it's Suzanne here, your go-to girl for all things Hollywood. Welcome back to the channel. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a scoop. Today, we're diving into the juiciest celebrity news of the day. From reality TV drama to tennis star revelations, there's so much to unpack. Let's kick things off with the story that's got everyone talking. Breaking news just dropped. Real Housewives of Orange County star Tamra Judge has seemingly quit the show mid-filming. The reality TV icon announced her exit on social media with a cryptic post saying, "When life gives you real problems, this reality shit doesn't make sense. Peace out." Fans are stunned. What could have pushed her to walk away? Insiders hint at behind-the-scenes tensions, but details are still under wraps. Stay tuned for more updates as this story unfolds. Andy Cohen, the king of Bravo, weighed in on Tamra's departure during his Sirius XM show. While he couldn't spill all the tea, he dropped a subtle clue. One of her best friends. The ellipsis says it all. This drama might involve a close ally. Could it be a castmate? A producer? We're on high alert for more clues. Let's switch gears to other trending stories. Tennis phenom Carlos Alcaraz subtly revealed his Netflix docu-series premiere date, April 24th, with a temporary tattoo at the Indian Wells Masters. Meanwhile, another Simple Favor director, Paul Feig, shut down rumors of a feud between Blake Lively and Anna Kendrick, calling a viral tweet wrong. And in Paris Fashion Week news, Naomi Watts and Liev Schreiber's daughter, Kai Schreiber, made her runway debut for Valentino. Talk about a proud parent moment. That's all for today, folks. If you loved this update, smash that like button, share it with your squad, and don't forget to subscribe for daily celebrity deep dives. Turn on those notifications so you're the first to know when the next bombshell drops. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay fabulous, stay informed, and keep it locked on. Channel name,